Hey guys, it's Alex back here with another YouTube video. Hopefully this one will be a little bit better. Actually, uh, let me ask a question about my layout. It's a point-to-point operations. It's 20 feet by 20 feet. It's around the walls of my garage. Circles around at both ends, makes one go up to the upper level, and then when you go to the other end, it descends down into the yard. Hopefully you guys will like this. It'll come out a lot better. So let's check it out. Here comes my nice little switch engines. Uh, and Al, you kind of like those before. I'm going to try to hook these up and weather them up now that I got the ability of learning how to weather them. So here we go. These are pretty cool though. I like them. And there goes my steam again. And it's going to come on down and around here. And try to get this up in here. And then it will come on out through the tunnel over here. And we'll check this out. And as it's going through my yard, and here we go, we'll probably stop it in the yard and get it to kind of do its thing over here, because it's pretty tough to run this thing after a while. Anyway, there you have it, short clip, and I'll try to make something different next time. All right, take care.